Summary of Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. In the early 20th century, a young writer named Napoleon Hill received a life-changing challenge from steel magnate Andrew Carnegie. Carnegie believed that success could be boiled down to a formula, one that anyone, regardless of background, could follow. Hill accepted the task and spent over 20 years interviewing the most successful men of his time: Henry Ford, Thomas Edison, Alexander Graham Bell, and dozens more. The result was Think and Grow Rich, a timeless guide to building wealth, not just financial, but personal and spiritual success as well. At the heart of Hill's philosophy is a simple but powerful idea. Whatever the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve. Success begins not with luck or education, but with a clear, definite purpose, a burning desire to accomplish something great. Desire, Hill says, is the starting point of all achievement. But desire alone isn't enough. You must pair it with faith, an unshakable belief that what you want is already yours in the unseen. Hill teaches that thoughts become things. Repeating affirmations, visualizing your goals, and eliminating doubt are key parts of planting the seeds of wealth in your subconscious. Next comes specialized knowledge and organized planning. General knowledge is everywhere, but only focused. Useful knowledge, combined with action, leads to success. Hill emphasizes the importance of building a mastermind group, a circle of trusted allies, who bring wisdom, encouragement, and accountability. One of Hill's most urgent lessons is the power of decision. He observed that successful people make decisions quickly and firmly, while failures tend to procrastinate and change their minds often. Coupled with this is persistence, the ability to keep moving forward, especially when the path gets difficult. Most people give up just before they reach the breakthrough. Interestingly, Hill doesn't shy away from talking about the power of emotion and the subconscious mind, especially how sexual energy, when properly channeled, can drive extraordinary creativity and motivation. He calls this transmutation, converting raw energy into fuel for achievement. He also teaches us to guard against fear, which he calls the greatest enemy of success. Fear of poverty, criticism, loss, or even fear of success itself can paralyze us. To win, Hill insists, you must master your own thoughts and direct them intentionally. In the end, Think and Grow Rich is not just a book about making money. It's about mastering the mind, disciplining your emotions, and building a life of purpose. Hill's wisdom has inspired millions to take control of their destiny, and his message still rings true today. Riches begin in the mind. Think it, believe it, act on it, and you shall become it. So hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, and cook along with us. This is Brightest Life, bringing Filipino flavor to your screen every week.